Buongiorno. This year's Italian Society of Hypnosis Congress will celebrate two birthdays. The SEE will be 30 years old, and the International Society of Hypnosis, ISH, will be 50. Birthdays are special occasions and a time to reflect, looking back at the experiences and the events that shape us. At this Congress, I'm delighted to be able to share with you some fun and interesting facts about the history of ISH, having been a member of this prestigious society for almost all of those 50 years. I am Julie Linden, a past president of the ISH and the U.S. administrator for the past 20 years. Together, we'll look at the people who, with their hypnotic creativity and scientific knowledge, founded and grew the ISH. It's now home to the world's leading clinicians and researchers and continues to actively pursue the integration of hypnosis into healthcare. Please join us for this celebratory Congress and a walk down memory lane. See you soon.